How do I get started on a short sale? I'm Lathe Lavada with the Lathe Lavada home selling team. If you have decided that a short sale is the best option for you and you want to do a short sale, then the next step is to contact a qualified and experienced short sale expert to help you perform the tasks that are required to negotiate, finalize, and close your short sale. Myself and the Lathe Lavada home selling team has been doing short sales since the crash of the subprime market and would look forward to helping you or someone you know begin and complete a successful short sale. For a free consultation, please call the number on the screen. If you like this video and want to see more, please visit www.mrshortsalenv.com/FAQ.